Word provides several different ways you can change character spacing in your document. For this first example, I'll select the text for scale at 80%. Then from the menu bar, I'll select Format Font, and that opens up the font dialog box. I'll click on the Advanced tab. I'll change the scaling from 100% down to 80%. When I choose OK, the selected text has been scaled to 80% of the original font size. I'll select this next paragraph and I'll go back to Format Font and I'll choose Spacing and I'll change it to Condensed. The default is 1 point. I'll select this paragraph and I'll expand the character spacing. For the final example, I'll select some text. I'll go back to Format Font. I'll select Position, choose Raised. When I choose OK, the selected text has been raised by 3 points. And there you have it, several different character spacing options you can apply to text in your document.